Hey guys, it's Chris from BISH'S RV here in Junction City. Really excited to show you this 2011 Winnebago Ellipse. It's a 42 AD diesel pusher, and this thing is a beaut. So this has a Cummins 16 diesel pusher with a Freightliner chassis, 400 horsepower, a 6-speed Allison transmission. It's turbocharged, and you can pull about 15,000 pounds. So this is perfect. If you want to go from Oregon all the way to Florida and back, this is the rig that you need to be thinking about. Even though it's a 2011, it is very beautiful, and it would do a great job for you. Let's check out the interior. I think you're going to like it. So just imagine yourself being the captain of your ship right here, and being able to drive this. It's got everything that you need. Auto level, everything. Very comfortable. A lot of different controls on the steering panel and over off to the sides. It's very easy as you're driving down the road to find what you need and get it done. These seats are beautiful. They're leather. They swivel around. You're going to see lots of extra cabinetry all around the cockpit, which is really neat because there's a lot of things that you want to have accessible when you're on a big trip, and you can have them right here. Nice big Samsung flat screen TV, reading lamps, drink holders, and boy, look at this beautiful kitchen. Gorgeous solid surface countertops. You've got a really nice 3-burner stove, plenty of space to do what you need to do. Counter space. Everybody's looking for counter space and cupboard space, and look at that. Cupboards all through here, and I love the fact that these are changeable. You can make them taller or shorter as you need to have them, and also they're very, very deep, so you can put a lot in these cupboards. And they got cupboards, of course, all the way down, all around the side. You can access this cupboard from both sides, which is great. I kind of like having the kitchen right up front. It's really fun when you're driving down the road, being able to make some sandwiches and get everything rolling. Right here, you've got a really nice little dinette area. And again, storage all around, everywhere. So everything that you would want to have in this area, card games and office supplies, whatever it is that you want, you've got right in this area. A couple nice lights. And then look at this living room. Isn't this great? So it's a little bit more secluded back over here. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention this Maytag refrigerator. And speaking of it being close to the living room, that's kind of nice, isn't it? That if you're sitting here, you can just get up, get yourself a drink or a snack right here in this big double fridge. Got a really great, that's taped shut, but we've got a really, oh, here we go. Got a really great freezer that pulls out as well. Ice maker, water, everything you need right there, built by Maytag. And into this living room, you're going to notice right here, you've got power, sofa, and then this can pull forward and lift up into place. So you can sleep people there, be a little more comfortable. Same thing happens on this one here. And so you've got a little extra sleeping here, or just you can lounge around a little more comfortably on these beautiful sofas. And you've got a Samsung TV is here as well. Some extra storage and speakers everywhere. A place right here for extra game consoles or DVD players or anything that you would like. And you do have a really nice electric fireplace. What a romantic living room and a wonderful place to chill and relax. And it's just outside the master bedroom quarters. They do have a sliding door here for privacy. Check this out. On the other side, you've got this really fantastic bathroom. It makes you feel like you're just in a high-end hotel. A really beautiful corner shower under a skylight with a sprayer. Really beautiful bathroom sink There's little medicine cabinets in each one of these. And they're angled so you can see, you can do your hair in the back and you can see just like I do. Right here you've got a beautiful sink and lots of extra storage. Moving into this area, here is your commode. A little bit of storage there, plenty of room. You've got a window in there. Pretty nice. And then look right here. Right here is all of your control panel, all behind a door. We like that because we have grandkids and they like buttons. They love buttons. So it's nice having them behind a door. Kids, they press all your buttons, don't they? Check this out right here. Nice closet space right here. And more space inside the bathroom here for linens, whatever you need, anything that you need to hang. Really beautiful. There is another privacy door here. So you've got one that closes off the bedroom from the bathroom as well. And right in here you have a king-size bedroom and it is beautiful. Cedar closet with a shelf, plenty of places to hang your clothes, put your shoes. Got beautiful lights all the way around the bedroom, extra storage up above, and also even more very deep and adjustable storage here, as well as 3 big drawers. And then again, you have a bunch of more drawers here. And this is, I think this is kind of neat. You've got a little laundry deal. You've got another Samsung TV inside here and plenty of space right up here for more items. This is a really neat, beautiful coach. Boy, if you're looking for a little bit older diesel pusher that's still got tons of life in it, that's beautiful and smells good, looks good, ready to roll, this might be the one. I'd love to show it to you. Give me a call. My name's Chris. You can call me or text me on my personal cell phone, 541-636-7878.